By Peppa, George. Then Pig, come here. We're going to Primo Pizza. Yes. No. When I hit Primo Pizza, I was placed at your place tomorrow. No. Too bad, Peppa Pig. Go to Primo Pizza. No, I hate Primo Pizza. Stay home, please. Daddy? No, we got a car. No, where? Come on, get back here. Okay. Alright, sit down, the George, or sit belts on. Okay. Alright, Peppa, seat belts on, please. No, I hate seat belts on. Psh. I'm gonna tell George. George, what's wrong? Peppa just slapping me. Okay. Psh. Fine, I know what to do. Let's take a join the car. Yeah. Woo! Let's go to Primo Pizza. Okay, fine. Wow, I think let's float a burger of fries. Chips. No chips are gonna days or float. This is a float to honor my other killed. No killer use this. Welcome to Primo Pizza. Can I help you? Can I have some chicken? A spicy chicken and a tuna and fish. Well, you kids are off a plane over and the sea in the Mickey Mouse Playhouse. Wow, can I have burger? Can I have burger? Can I have burger? Fries. We sorry, we have to fix it, don't you? I gotta throw you this. Ow, what are you? I'm gonna George go get Crackling. No. Peppa! I'm on the chopper, please. You have a beauty of innocent. A beauty innocent. You must have a happy getting used to kill George. A 0% for 0 year that I like to commission boss execution. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cook myself a dinner. Yo! Take away, boys. Think about a person. Shut up, Peppa Pig. No more eating and no more drinking. Do you have any last word? At drinking, not eating. Pork. Yeah. Sorry, Ted. And Master, I'll get out of here. I'm gonna slap you. No, not slap you. Yeah. I take my job. There's a special order today. I know this Peppa Pig is cute. This is one about the hammer back and move back behavior and the children gonna kiss. And no one's a bother gonna see that I'm a bunny dragon. You see if I can follow how it looks like. Let's stick to that. You monster there, so I'll just sit down in the children. I thank you or save you on that first. Monster, you think it's nicer to go to the beach then. I'm on the bunny. I'm a burning dragon. I'm like a burning dragon. Sit down and talk to you.